Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. You want to tell everybody hi?
Hi.
I can't see you. There you are.
Hi.
Yeah. Oh! Dude, you just hide me in the face.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, sweetie.
Hi.
Yep. Hi. Nice. Okay, so show everybody your game or your toy that you wanted to show everybody.
Okay. Francesco just goes down, and then it goes,
Oops.
and then that goat stops him.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
See if he stops.
Okay.
Go on his way down.
Yep. Woo!
Okay.
That's awesome.
See?
Yep, I see.
So down here.
Uh-huh. So you want to show everybody the little buddy that you got for the show tonight?
Buddy.
Yeah, he's upside down. Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, nope, still upside down. That's not how he goes. There we go.
He does a trick,
Yeah.
but he doesn't fly when he... I gotta help him fly.
Okay.
That's how he flies, but this is how he flies.
He flaps his little wings. It's like a birdie should.
See?
Yep, I see.
He flaps his little fat tail.
His what tail?
His fat tail.
His fat tail?
Yeah, his fat tail.
Nice.
See, why does he have a fat tail?
Well, maybe it helps him fly straighter.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Francesco just go that way.
Yeah, he did. I think it's about time to tell everybody night-night.
It's not.
Oh, it definitely is. That's the sign. Eating the show.
It's not.
Yes, it is. Back up. Back up. No. No. So, good news. Lily's feeling better today, as you can tell. Ah! Bad news. She's still contagious, and you just got her germs. Knock it off. Okay, everybody. Night-night. Seriously? Awesome. And a good bird night to you as well. All right, tell everybody night-night. Say night-night. Night-night, everybody. We love you.
Buddy.
Very much.
Oh, watch it on the floor.
Okay, well, actually, we'll watch it up here. Mommy doesn't want to go on the floor tonight. Good night.
And